Profusely. Definition: large amount. Sentence: the book is profusely illustrated with period photos. Synonyms: lavish, luxuriant, exuberant. Antonyms: lacking, sparse. Berate. Definition: criticize someone angrily. Sentence: she berated herself for being fickle. Synonyms: reprimand, admonish, rebuke. Antonyms: praise. Banal. Definition: lacking. Sentence: songs with banal repeated words. Synonyms: hackneyed, vapid, trite. Antonyms: original. Forlorn. Definition: to be unhappy. Sentence: forlorn figures at bus stop. Names: sad, despondent, sorrowful. Antonyms: happy. Credulous. Definition: trust too easily. Sentence: some people are so credulous that they would believe anything. Synonyms: gullible, trusting, knave. Antonyms: worldly, suspicious. Profusely. Berate. Banal. Forlorn. Credulous.
Repeat this for 10 times, to be perfect. Please subscribe and like for next day target.